Our next page, we're going to work a little bit more with topic sentences. And I'm just going to give you a few notes on this page just to kind of help you along with the writing process of writing topic sentences. Sometimes we get kind of stuck. We don't know where to start with them. So I'm going to give you some ideas on how to get started writing a topic sentence. So let's do writing topic sentences as our title. And then fill it in your table of contents. Okay. Then a couple things that we can do when we are working with writing topic sentences is we can begin with a question. Sometimes those are great topic sentences, asking your reader a question that has to do something with what you're going to tell about or answer in the rest of the paragraph. An interesting fact, something like, did you know that? And then you would give an interesting fact about something that's going to be talked about in the rest of your paragraph. You could also begin with a definition of maybe a concept that you're talking about in your paragraph, or an explanation of a term relevant to your topic. Maybe there's a vocab word that you use in your paragraph or that you're explaining, and you can kind of give that definition of that word first and then kind of explain why it's important. You can begin with a shocking statement, which would be kind of similar to an interesting fact, but this would be maybe a statistic or maybe an exciting statement that you want to make to kind of hook the reader. You can begin with a visual that creates a picture in the reader's mind. Reader's mind. Or you can begin with the setting of a topic. So maybe some background information, because if you remember, setting of a story is the time and place of where the story is taking place and when it's taking place. So you can kind of give a setting of the topic, kind of where this all started, what time, when you're going to use it, that kind of a thing. You can also use a combination of the things listed above. You don't always have to just choose one or the other. A combination of any of the above would work also. Okay, then a few more notes at the bottom here. So I have an example. We're going to kind of build off of some topics here and kind of make a basic topic sentence and then build off of it and make it more and more interesting as we go along. So just so you can see the transition between what's a great topic sentence, what's a good topic sentence, and what is a pretty basic topic sentence. So let's just say our paragraph is going to be about insects. Okay, so that's our just general idea. That's what we're talking about, and it could be kinds of insects. It's just insects in general, okay? But a topic sentence that we could use, that probably isn't great, but you can maybe see little kids using it, would be insects are creatures. This is just stating a fact, a statement, saying they're creatures. And then chances are you're going to explain what makes them so unique as creatures throughout the rest of the paragraph. Then a good topic sentence. We can add maybe a descriptive word in there to show a better picture in the reader's mind. Insects are interesting creatures, because now I know you're going to be telling me why they're interesting, why they're a little bit more than just creatures. So we added an adjective in there. Okay. Now, a topic sentence that could be maybe at a 6th grade, 7th grade level, that I'm going to label challenging topic sentence could be this. Insects are interesting creatures because, and I'm going to put ... and then we would provide reasoning. So provide a reasoning why they are interesting creatures. Reasoning. Okay, so we still kept in that adjective. We'll abbreviate it ADJ. But we started adding an explanation to it, which would be what we mentioned up above here, the explanation of a term or relevant to a topic. So it's saying that they are interesting creatures, kind of creates that picture, visual picture in the reader's mind. But then we could go on to say because, and that might also be led into what you're going to talk about in the rest of the paragraph. Okay, so copy these notes down, and then you will have an assignment Google form attached that you will be creating or looking at some different topic sentences to practice with.